Hi everyone. Want to know how I created this evening party makeup look with soft smoky eyes and nicely contoured face? Let's start. First up, apply primer to prep the skin for a flawless base. Then apply orange color corrector to the areas wherever you have uneven skin tone. Blend it using a concealer brush. Then apply foundation by putting dots all over your face and blending it using a foundation brush. In this way, you will apply very less quantity of foundation and your face will not look cakey. Then apply concealer under your eyes and other areas of face that need some more coverage and blend it using a concealer brush. After applying concealer, set your base with a translucent powder using a powder brush. Then brush your eyebrows and fill any empty spaces maintaining the natural arc. Brush again to blend any harsh lines. For eyeshadow, I'm using light pink color to set as the base. On top of it, I applied a darker rose gold pink. After blending it, I used a pinkish purple shade on the outer side to give the smoky effect. After that, I applied another layer of rose gold pink to create an ombre effect. Then I applied blush in the C style, covering cheeks and sweeping up till the temples to create a lifting effect. Then comes contouring. Choose a contour shade slightly darker than your skin tone. Apply contour along the hollows of your cheeks, temples, forehead, and jawline if required. To contour the nose, apply contour along the sides of the nose for a slimmer appearance. Blend the contour seamlessly using a blending brush for a natural look. To enhance the shape of your nose, apply concealer on top of the nose and blend it. To further enhance the shape of the chin, apply the contour as shown and blend it using a blending brush. Then apply highlighter to the high points of the face, cheeks, nose tip, cupid bows and below your eyebrows. Then outline lips with lip liner following the natural shape. Then fill in the lips with lipstick starting from center and blending outward. And now back to finishing eye makeup. Fill the waterline with the light brown eyeshadow. Then applied kajal in place of eyeliner and blended it to enhance smoky eyes effect. Used eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes. Then I applied eyelashes primer and mascara. Then I applied little kajal on the outer corners of my eyes and white eyeshadow on the inner corners to create a depth effect. And there you go, I'm ready. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye.